Nicki Minaj follow all 3 members of PTR on Instagram.
Yeah, real famous. Give Nicki Minaj 100 meter. Give Nicki 100 meter dolls. Hey, in your mark, get set.
Number 1, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
I'm 99 for them, but I want you one. Paid like weekend in a shot of funds. And the man with me up never shot a gun. Spend money like he not go done. Some styling fresh. Tonight a girl man I get it.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people, that was a brand new release from Mayan, right? And it's called Vanilla. So it's on our YouTube channel and you can go check it out. Now people, we are going to talk about PTR. We are talking about Pretty Pretty, Rebel and TC. We don't know what go on. The second season of Dancehall Life is out. We are going to talk about that soon. But first, we are going to talk about Nicki Minaj follow all 3 ladies yesterday and what this could mean for them. So we see some speculations that go on a Nicki Minaj fan page. Me I go tell them about that in a second. But me I go tell them how I find out about this. So we see on TC page, she post this, and in the caption she say, "Is this for real? Somebody have to pinch me. Love this for me and my friends." And she tag Pretty Pretty Rebel and she tag Nicki Minaj and she say, "I follow the doll them, you know," and you know what I mean, excitement createment after that, cause they make some video, right? So me have a little clip more for sure, no, where them actually celebrate. And anybody with a happy, me I talk about other established artists, they might not celebrate like the ladies them, cause you don't know how them do for them thing. But this is a big deal for them people. It's a big deal for me, and me not even involved in it. You see what I say? So me I go show on that clip there where them enjoy themselves. Them glad that Nicki have follow them. So take a look at this. Then me I go tell them what the fan page say. So here goes.
This call for excitement. It call for the excitement. I want that too. I want this. Yeah, real famous. Give Nicki Minaj 100 meter. Give Nicki 100 meter dolls. Hey, in your mark, get set, go, run.
Yeah, people, so that page when them starts off Minaj post and them acknowledge say Nicki follow, them put Rebel alone, but me go tell you what them say, right? So them say, at Nicki Minaj just followed choreographer Christina Nelson on Instagram. Could she be gearing up to give us some choreography for the new era? Right? So them ask a question to the Barbs them, right? So one of the things people, one of the things say this potentially could lead to Rebel them being, you know, working with, being in a music video or working with Nicki, you know, even if I behind the scene and them not going at the music video. You think say, I saw what go on. One of the things that somebody tell Nicki about them, one of the things that Nicki I watch Dancehall Life. One of the things go on people. You know what I mean? Me feel like say maybe somebody tell her about them or she find them on Dancehall Life. Me don't really know, but I guess me ask and if I take a guess just like that. And another part, like what I think this mean, what it could mean for the girl them, want to potentially see happen for TC and Rebel and Pretty Pretty. You know what I mean? In the future. This can even go so boom and make other people influence to follow them as well. Cause I want to know that it go right. For me see Nicki I follow you, then we follow, right? Circle Nicki page and look for some clue if she post them or, you know what I mean? Cause if I did something fresh what she find, maybe should have post and say, boom. You know? We don't understand what me I say. Maybe if she saw a video with them on Instagram, should have probably repost it at the same time if she feel excited about it. So this is definitely something like, it have an undertone, definitely. Because it's not like she just see it in at the moment and decide boom, boom, boom. Which should have been just as great. But it's premeditated, me I say, which is like twice as good, right? But when me check Nicki page, the only thing me see she post, she say, "Happy Independence Day to my beautiful country, Trinidad and Tobago. Hashtag Trini to the bone. Caribbean girls run it. Trini girls do it better." So me never know say a Trinidad Independence Day yesterday. So me a big one up on Independence Day. Happy belated day to every Trinidadian. Wanna big up on yourself. Alright? But we are gonna take a look at season 2 Dancehall Life. Here goes.
Beloved in the house. Love you, baby.
Yes. Oh, God, I love this.
Oh, God is good. I'm glad me meet you.
Queenie inspire me to love myself even more. I love myself, but she give me the confidence there. For really not pay negativity in mine.
Girl, power, sexy. Power, sexy ladies and the king. You have to work with your energy. Right. Like me with son of me, a people person. Me just say, hey girl, what? You want to answer your answer. Yeah. My spirit.
My mother could have want ban me somewhere else. Look at sweet Jamaica, man. Watch good beach. Yeah, tell you, man. No place like Jamaica.
Yeah, people, so no need to check out Dancehall Live, you know the vibes, right? The people them check out season 1, them definitely know what go on. A lot of people already check out season 2, I'm sure of that, right? But if you haven't checked it out yet, you don't know what to do, you see me and say. So people, definitely, things are going for them. We love to see what going for ladies them in a dancehall overall. You see me and say the female artists them too, them a do it and them a do it big. We do a video about Shensia yesterday, right? We do a video about Spice and Jada Kingdom and Dexter Lapswago collab. You know what I mean? That just bare things are going, people. And them a do all of the things them right now. All the movements them are going around the lady them. And me name Mr. Good News, because I don't know say from a good news me a forward with it, right? So stay tuned to Dancehall IG if you don't want to know what going with the ladies them in a dancehall every time, you see me. Some of us have to big them up one more time, and like me say, people, I want to get in the comment section, I want to tell me what you think this mean for the ladies them, what it can potentially lead to, that Nikki follow them, right? So other than that, people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Want everybody big up themselves. Have a nice day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. It's so may I say. Again, Trinidad and Tobago, happy independence, even though it gone already. Stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!